Hello, and welcome to the AFCFS program and its base level component, IFS. This tutorial will guide you through the process of documenting your facility districts. As outlined in the first video of this series, a principal theme of the IFS program is facility hierarchy. This basically means that all of your new and renovated facilities will be assigned a facility group number. Group numbers are detailed in the AFCFS website and under the Facility Hierarchy tab. Take some time to review this to become familiar with the requirements. Once you've assigned group numbers to your facilities and created standards for the various groups, you'll find that there will likely be very few exceptions to your base-wide facility standards. If you do have a unique area such as a historical area, there could be exceptions to your base-wide standards there. Take a few minutes and read the Facility Districts paragraph on the AFCFS website. As you read the narrative, you'll find that the term Facility District replaces a variety of other terms such as character areas or visual districts or visual zones. Facility districts are essentially isolated areas on a base that have distinguishable architecture and identifiable geographic boundaries. Facility districts typically have buildings with similar shapes, scale, materials, and so forth. The photo on the website depicts an obvious facility district. In this case, it's a housing area located at MacDill Air Force Base. While your base may have one or more facility districts, remember the primary organizing theme of IFS is facility groups. Our first priority is to define standards of quality based on the facility group number. This actually makes things easier for you to manage. Industrial facilities are Group 3, for example, yet your base may have a facility district called Industrial or Flight Line. Once you define your standards for Group 3, you will likely have covered the standard of an industrial area. There may be few, if any, exceptions to the base-wide standards for Group 3, so being located in an industrial district may simply be a land use designation and may not require unique facility standards. So, the IFS format and organization simplifies the process for you. Rather than managing multiple districts, you're managing 4 facility groups. And since Group 4, family housing, is typically privatized, you're really managing only 3 facility groups. To reiterate, you'll begin creating your IFS by establishing your base-wide standards for each facility group. If there are unique facility districts that have exceptions to your base-wide standards, then these exceptions are defined. In the initial prototype IFSs that were created around the continental U.S., organizing base-wide standards by facility groups has already proven to vastly simplify the process of managing and applying the base standards. There were very few exceptions to the base-wide standards. When there were exceptions, they were listed in the appendix. Here's how the appendix was developed for Peterson Air Force Base. Each facility district is listed. A map is provided showing the boundaries of each district, and the exceptions are listed using the same numbering system as the body of the IFS. So now you're familiar with another aspect of the Air Force Corporate Facility Standards and the IFS facility districts. You're now ready to move on to the next video called IFS Workflow.